EPL. Now, speaking of the EPL, let's get into Fantasy Premier League. Hey, this matter go hard. Now, a lot has been happening inside the world of fantasy. So 2 game weeks, quick, back to back. Hope you had a very fruitful game week. We could not give you FPL tips last weekend, and we're back. So this time, let's try and focus on one gentleman who has flattered to deceive in the past couple of weeks. Mateta came into this league this season trying to prove a lot of points, but he has flattered to deceive. Let's replace him. I'll give you 2 options to replace the man Mateta. So one is Nick Woltemade. Why Nick Woltemade? Nick Woltemade has proven that he can score with his head, he can score with his foot, he also move and, help in the build-up and eventually end up scoring that goal for you. So he's got 1 goal and 2 assists in the last 5 when Newcastle's attack are on the rise. So please consider Nick Woltemade in place of the man Mateta. Another player you can consider is Igor Thiago. Yes, Igor Thiago. He has 11 goals this season. Yes, Igor Thiago of Brentford has 11 goals this season. And he's also having the 3rd best XG in the league as it stands. So he's one person you can actually also consider to replace the man Mateta in that particular one. Now, a lot of people have a dilemma between picking Saka and Foden because you can't have 2 of them both in your team. When you have both in your team, you are actually maybe wasting space for other players. So let me give you quick statistics so that you're able to make your decisions. In the last 5 games, Saka has scored twice. The man Foden has scored 4 times. They have both assisted 1 each. So tell me, one person cost less than the other by 2 million. So Saka cost 10.1 million, and then Foden cost 8.3 million. So comparatively, you definitely tilt towards the Foden side. So we've solved that particular dilemma for you as well. Anyways, a lot of questions now are being asked whether to keep Ndiaye and Enzo, keep or sell them. Both have been blanking out recently, and the frustration has been growing on both Enzo and Ndiaye. So with Ndiaye will be leaving for the AFCON. Yeah, Ndiaye would definitely be leaving for the AFCON. So aside this game week, you will definitely get to do away with Ndiaye. But for Enzo, I think maybe you would give him 1 more game week as they play Bournemouth to try and see what happens to him. After that, we would ship him out quickly. Inform Villa are in there, but please, not Villa this weekend. Allow this weekend to pass, and then next weekend we start looking at the likes of Rogers and Merlin. So they are on the watch list. Rogers and Merlin, together with Buendia. These 3 from Aston Villa are on our watch list. Yes, they are on our watch list for this weekend. Anyways, the AFCON is coming up, so there are a couple of players you should now start be looking to selling. Now, we are looking for options for them. So you should look to sell Nori, you should look to sell Mohamed Salah. Unfortunately, he's got to go. They are going for the AFCON. After this game week, they are gone for the AFCON. So in comes Cucurella, in comes Saka or Foden. Very simple. Sorted it out for you. Sorted your AFCON problems out for you. Mbeumo is also leaving, but we'll come back and talk about Mbeumo next week. Yeah, we'll come back and talk about Mbeumo next week. Don't worry. Anyways, that is where we draw down the curtains for today on FP.